Dominica, nature isle of the Caribbean, known for its volcanic and mountainous structure, unspoilt beauty and 365 rivers. During my stay, I wanted to embrace Dominican culture as much as possible. This is my Waitukubuli experience. First, I wanted to find out from the local people how I could have the true Dominican experience. I was just doing a short documentary, so let's get to complete this sentence. You haven't had the true Dominican experience until...
I went to the sulfur spring in Sufuye.
And why would you say that?
I would say that because when I had the chicken gun here, I went there and it helped me a lot. You see, the water is both cold and hot, but you go where it's a little cooler. But then it's good for pain, back pains, arthritis, all sorts of pains.
Experience until?
Log lime or pass through Carib territory just to enjoy the unique styles or the culture of the Kalinago people, just to line by the river, by the bay, cook a pot, chill with a friend, view the model houses, or the basket weaving, or the rock fishing, or maybe just line around and have a drink and just enjoy it.
Until?
You visit the Caribbean National Park, sorry.
Why?
Because it's actually a very good experience. You get to see the nice view of the ocean and everything, and the way there is set up is just like, it's breathtaking, really. It is.
Until?
You hike to one of our cascading rivers. Dominica is full of them, you know. So, you know, there's 365 rivers, a river for every day. So until you've been to one of the rivers, you're missing something from Dominica. And of course, until you have eaten some ital food, you know, no matter where. But yeah, it's one of the places that you can find it. And unless you have done that, man, you're missing something.
Until you have go by the bay and free up with your friends, cook up food and just enjoy yourself, you know. So we have a lot of beaches, have a good time.
Until
you come to the juice man and have a good smoothie, a good local juice, and then you'll have the good experience of Dominica.
You think?
Yeah.
So I need to try your juice?
You gotta try my juice, the best in the world.
I'll try the juice then. What have you got?
I got mango, I got papaya, banana, and carrot. That's what you can get mixed if you want all up to mix it. I mix it. Or if you want one fruit, I make one fruit for you.
I'll do a mix.
My main customers are local people on the cruise ship. When they come, they patronize me very good, especially the American people and also the English people too. So we got papaya, mango, banana, carrot, a little bit of sugar, ice, water. That's the best in Dominica. They like a lot of mixed juice. They like mango mixed with pineapple. They like banana mixed with pineapple. Or they like everything I got, pineapple, mango, soursop, everything mixed one time.
Thank you. You haven't had the true Dominican experience until?
You had callaloo soup.
Why callaloo soup?
You know, because it's unique. You know, it's nowhere else make callaloo soup. Just in Dominica. You know, with the cheddar dashing, coconut water, fig dashing, you know, smoked meat. Yeah. So you can't say you experience Dominica unless you had a callaloo soup.
Okay, so has callaloo soup got dumplings?
Yes. But that's optional. That's optional.
Until?
You've ate the lionfish. Do your part, eat lionfish. It's delicious.
Thank you. Until?
You've climbed Monte Blote.
Why?
I think climbing the mountain is a good experience because it gives you a chance to actually see our forestry, and actually when you get on top there's a beautiful view of Dominica.
So based on what everyone says, it looks like I'll have the true Dominican experience if I visit Sufuye Sulphur Springs. Kalinago Territory, Cabrit's National Park, hike to a river, cook on a beach, taste JB's juice, which I've already done, which was delicious, eat lionfish, eat callaloo soup, or climb on Dablete. It looks like I'll be cooking at a beach, visiting Cabrit's National Park, visiting the Kalinago Territory, and hiking to a river to let the adventures begin. Experience 2, we're going to cook at a beach. We decided to go to Waitukubuli Beach, which is located east of Dominica between Bent and Calabishi. Waitukubuli is known for its golden sand, blue sea and tranquil serenity. Experience 3, Cabrit's National Park, which is located in Portsmouth.
Cabrit's National Park is situated on the remains of a volcanic cone that was formed thousands of years ago.
British took over Dominica in 1763 and the fort was built to protect the north of Dominica. The headquarters of the garrison is called Fort Shirley, which along with the fortress covers 200 acres. Over the past 30 years, Fort Shirley has sporadically been restored for educational and tourist purposes. Experience 4, the Kalinago Territory. The Kalinago Baranaote provides an insight of the Kalinago village before Europeans invaded Dominica. The canoa is made from the gommier tree trunk. After the tree is dug out, stones and water are placed with fire on both sides, which allows the tree to expand. This canoa took 3 months to be built and can hold up to 5 to 6 people. In the past, the gommier trees were larger, so the canoa would hold up to 60 people. It would take about a year to build. The Kalinago language began to fade when the Europeans invaded. There are a few common Kalinago words that are used, like mabwika, which means greetings, tuna, that means water, kabe, which is a large hut used for cultural performances.
So after we peel the root crop, we'll use the modern hand graters to grate it. it. Then we wash it in some water, squeeze the water out of it. Then the fiber of the manioc, filter it or strain it. Then the starch would strain it as well. Add some grated coconut with it, some sugar, some salt. Mix it together in a container. Then we'll place it on this right here to cook. But in the past, my ancestors did not have the modern hand graters. Neither is this of metal. So they would grate the manioc on chips of jasper. This is some mineral type of rocks. See, then after it was washed and filtered, then they would place it on a flat stone to cook, put it on the fire. Okay, but this is what we used.
For my last Dominican experience, I'm going to Chaudhua Pool, which is one of Dominica's many rainforest river pools located in Bend, which is northeast of Dominica. Chaudhua is a Dominican Creole word which means cooking pot. The name relates to the shape of the pool. Chaudhua Pool is about 10 feet deep in some areas. I've definitely had the true Dominican experience. I got to taste JB's juice, cook at a beach, got to cook a breadfruit. Well, Devon did all the cooking. To visit Cabrit's National Park, learn all about Dominica's history. Also got to learn about the history of the Kalinago people at the Kalinago Barana Ote. And last but not least, we got to hike to a river. So that's my Waitukubuli experience. It's ended, but why not start yours? You have not had the true Dominican experience until?
Yeah, I have it.
What do I need to do to have it?